In this quick video, I'll show you how to zoom out on a computer desktop in Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Also like this video. Even I am showing you the process in my Windows 10 PC. You can follow the process in your Windows 11 as well. So to zoom out our icons, so for that we just need to right click on our desktop, then click on display settings. Then you will come here. After that we need to change our scale and layout. So here you will see change the size of text, apps and other items. We just need to set it 100%. Now you can see I changed it to 150. We just need to click on 100%. It is recommended by Windows. We need to click here and now you can see my desktop icons and everything is now fixed. Also we need to make sure one thing, that your display resolution is also recommended. If you have different resolution of your monitor, then you can set it like that. I have a 1920 x 1080 monitor, so I set it into 1920 x 1080. Always make sure that it is recommended by Windows and this is also recommended. And now you can see my desktop icons are zoom out. If you want to make it more zoom out, so for that right click on your desktop, go to view and change it to small icons, and now you can see my icons are more zoom out. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.